Cooking power. Up to 7,500 total BTUs. Full-size cooking surface. One burner fits up to a 12-in pan. Pressure regulator. Pressure control technology for consistent performance, even in extreme conditions. PERFECTHEAT technology. More efficient cooking with less fuel. Runtime. Up to 3 hours on high on a 16.4 ounces propane cylinder, sold separately. Easy to clean. Removable chrome-plated grate. 3 year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Adjustable flame. There are so many options out there when it comes to purchasing a small stove that it becomes overwhelming. I feel I hit the jackpot with this one. I needed just a one burner for my school bus conversion, and this is perfect. We can use it in the bus for a variety of pan sizes, and we can also take it outside to use on the ground or table. It lights easily and you can adjust the flame. I've had other grills and burners that didn't work so well when trying to lower the flame. Anyone with experience knows it's either don't cook it or burn it. But, not with this stove. You can dial in your flame to meet your needs, and this was an important feature for me. I also converted an old medium-size green t-shirt into a protective bag with handles and saved some money by not buying the carrying case.